Hello, this is Josh and Quinn bringing to you the polarity of water. Now, without water, life as we know it may not be possible. Many of its unique characteristics stem from its polarity. Cohesiveness and adhesiveness are some of these unique characteristics, just to name a few. But let's slow down a bit here. Before we get into all of the amazing properties of water, we need to understand what makes a water molecule polar. When water forms, the oxygen atom pulls the valence electrons of both the hydrogens towards itself. It does this because oxygen is found in the upper right region of the periodic table. Remember Fonkel, don't you? Oxygen is the O of in Fonkel. Since it's a part of Fonkel, that means that it pulls valence electrons of the molecules it's bonded towards itself. This gives the oxygen a negative charge. The hydrogens then have a slight positive charge because their valence electrons are further away. What are some consequences of this polarity? First, when water molecules come in contact with each other, a hydrogen end of one molecule bonds with the oxygen part of another molecule. This is called adhesion. They stick together through hydrogen bonds formed between molecules. A common example of this is surface tension. A similar event occurs in cohesion, except in cohesion the hydrogen bonding takes place between water molecules and molecules other than water. In both instances, the water molecules create hydrogen bonds with other molecules. An example of cohesive forces is the meniscus formed when water seems to climb up the side of a beaker. So all this is great, but why does it matter? For one, water is sucked up by a tree and brought up to the top by capillary forces. Capillary forces occur when cohesion and adhesion work together to bring water molecules up through thin tubes called the xylem. It then deposits the water at the leaves, which make it able to complete photosynthesis and create energy. This is a vital process to life because without it, trees wouldn't be able to photosynthesize and would wilt. And without trees, us humans would not be very happy campers. So in a sense, the polarity of water is essential for humans to live. Now, these aren't the only things that water does. It's also a universal solvent, has a high specific heat, and is one of the only substances in which its solid form is less dense than its liquid form. Unfortunately, we just don't have enough time to talk about all of the cool characteristics. See y'all again real soon.